Hey guys, today's video is all about investing in crypto with Webull. Now, if you don't already have a Webull account, it's a really simple to use investment platform that you can use on your phone, and you can get 2 free stocks just for signing up using my link down in the description. A lot of links out there will take you to the website, but you won't get those 2 free stocks because it has to be a specific type of link. My link is guaranteed to get you your 2 free stocks. 1 free stock when you sign up and you get registered and your account's approved, and your second free stock after you deposit your first $100 to get started investing with Webull. Your first free stock will be a low-level stock. Your second free stock could be up over 1,000. Really depends on luck, but regardless, you're getting 2 free stocks. I personally invest in crypto, mainly Bitcoin, using Webull as well as stocks. Now, the reason that I use them over like Coinbase or a different type of app where you can invest in cryptocurrency is because I'm able to invest in stocks as well as crypto in one platform. I like for everything that I'm investing in to be on one platform so that I can see it all in one place and really manage things a lot better. It's entirely up to you. You can have multiple things going on with multiple platforms, but I love the fact that I can invest in stocks as well as cryptocurrency using Webull. Now, what I've been doing is mainly focusing on cryptocurrency recently because there seems to be more of a chance of an increase and growth with my money and my investments versus just buying stocks. So what I've done is I've sold a lot of my stocks to invest in Bitcoin. You can do it however you want to, but I personally think that at the moment, Bitcoin still has a ways to go, and I want to be there when it gets higher. I, along with many others, have been kicking myself for not investing in Bitcoin from the start, and I keep thinking, this has got to be the top. This has got to be the point where Bitcoin levels off and stops making money, and it just continues to increase, and it continues to blow everybody's expectations out of the water. I'm not going to be left behind the next time Bitcoin shoots up by $20,000, $30,000. I want to be there and I want to be invested in that. So what I've done is I've started investing in Bitcoin. And here's the cool thing about Webull. You don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin to invest in Bitcoin. You can put how much ever you want into your Bitcoin investment, $100, $200, $1,000. And obviously Bitcoin right now is way, way more expensive. So unless you've got 40 or 50K setting around, which by the time you watch this video, it may be even higher, you're not going to buy an entire Bitcoin, but you can buy part of that Bitcoin and still experience that increase and that growth and that profit when you sell your fraction of Bitcoin later on. Now, you can also invest in other types of cryptocurrency on the platform. All of your main and popular cryptocurrencies are going to be available to invest in. And what's cool is you're not having to switch apps or anything. You open the one app, which you have your account with, and you purchase cryptocurrency basically the same way that you purchase your stocks. The only difference is the money has to be settled in your account when you're purchasing cryptocurrency. So I always recommend that you sign up for a cash account anyway when you sign up for Webull instead of a market account. A cash account means that you can only spend the amount of money that's in your account. So if you deposit $200, you can only spend $200. That keeps you from getting into a lot of trouble there. But what Webull lets you do is they allow you, once you've submitted the money to be transferred from your bank account to your Webull account, say $200, they'll let you go and invest that $200 without having to have the money directly in your account already. That's not the case with the cryptocurrency. That money has to be in your account, cleared and settled in your account, meaning it already has to be transferred from your bank account to your Webull account for you to be able to spend it. I get so many comments from people saying, well, I initiated a transfer from my bank, but I'm not able to buy cryptocurrency. You got to give it a few days because that money has to transfer from your bank to your Webull account, then you can buy your cryptocurrency. So if you're wanting to buy crypto maybe a week from now, don't wait until a week from now to start transferring your money or anything like that. You want to have your account created now, set up, and transferring your money over to your Webull account so that you can buy that crypto. Stocks are different though. Like I said, they will allow you to buy stocks with money that is not yet in your account as long as they know that it's being transferred. If you sell those stocks before your money gets into your account, which usually is like 2 to 3 business days, then it's considered a good faith violation, and you don't want to do too much of that because your account could get closed for not following the rules. And the rules are quite simple on Webull. I've found it to be the easiest platform for beginners all the way up to professionals to use and to grow with, and that's why I love it. I started out with Webull over a year ago, and I've got to tell you, I don't regret any decision I made with starting with them or continuing to grow with them because it's just been a great platform. I've learned so much with the free learning tools that they offer. They even allow you to trade with paper money or do paper trading, where you can trade and it's not real money and it's not going to obviously make you any money, but you can pretty much simulate investing if you want to. Which is cool, because if you want to just try your hand at this and without any risk whatsoever, that's a really cool thing to do. But again, if you don't have a Webull account and you're considering investing, I don't think there's a better platform out there. And you can get 2 free stocks, one for just signing up and getting your account approved, which takes a day or two. So keep that in mind. If you're wanting to invest right now, any platform you sign up on is going to take a day or two to get you verified. You don't want to wait until the stock you want to purchase is already too expensive to purchase. You want to go ahead and get that started. And then your second free stock is going to be after you deposit your first $100 to buy stocks with. You don't have to spend that $100. You just have to deposit it. So here's the cool thing. You get your 2 free stocks. If you decide that investing is just not for you, you can transfer those stocks back to your bank account, sell them and transfer them back to your bank account with your $100 that you initially deposited. That's still your money. You've not lost anything. In fact, you have gained money. But what I would do is I would hang on to those stocks that they give you for free and watch them and see how they grow. And I would also try with that $100 to start investing. But it's entirely up to you, but you do want to at least have $100 ready to deposit, ready to go once you get your account approved, because otherwise you miss out on getting that higher level stock. First stock you get for free is going to be a lower level stock, usually a couple dollars, and the second one is usually quite a bit higher. Depends on your luck. I know people who have gotten New York Times and things like that, which is just really great. And then I also know people who have gotten some lower level stocks, but at the end of the day, it's free stocks that they're giving you to sign up, and you do have the potential to get a pretty high level stock for free. If you have questions about any of it, let me know down in the comments, and let me know what your thoughts about trading cryptocurrency are. I gotta tell you, I really love the fact that I can do it all on one platform with my other investments, and that's just one of the things that I've personally enjoyed about Webull. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to keep up with what I'm investing in and what I'm suggesting and recommending for people to invest in, because I got to tell you, back a year ago when I started this, there were a few things that I recommended, and the people who bought them and the people who listened and took my recommendations, and they are just recommendations, you don't have to take any of this seriously if you don't want to, but the people who took my recommendations have told me that they are so glad they did, because the things that I recommended, I've even had people come back and comment and say, I wish that I had invested in what you told me, because that particular stock is now $30, $40 higher than it was not even a year ago. And had you bought a couple of those stocks, that adds up very quickly. Crazy growth on some of these stocks. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and you want to hear more about personal finance, stocks, and growing the money that is rightfully yours. And I'll see you guys later.